Waterfalls. Right off Weirs Valley Road. Sorry for the noise. I guess you can rent this place out.
That they would have used.
Private events, dinners, reunions, company parties.
I love that. I love that.
It'd be a pretty cool place to have a party. So it's a cute little place right off the road. $2 each to see the waterfalls. Treat others how you want to be treated.
Nice, not too hot today. It's definitely not that bad.
How much are the beers?
But at least it's not like
$5, $4, $1.50 sodas.
How long have you been here? Right? That's what everybody was saying.
Oh, you can sift for gems here too. Ooh, that's pricey. $30, $40, $50, $20. Alright, there's more cool stuff this way. It's like old comic books. That's crazy. I haven't seen comic books in a long time. Mystery bag, $5. Feels like some stones or something in there. Yeah. That looks like a garage sale. It's pretty. Shaped like a heart. How much? 500. Get down there where those people are. So they have this whole wall that blocks the view from the road, so you have to come in here if you want to see these beautiful falls. Walk down these stairs so we can get down there. What you see?
You can actually go in the creek where the rope, there's a rope here, and a rope there.
You can go in the creek?
Just untouch your own risk and you just can't go past the
Alright, get in!
And then, did you notice the buckets of the sand and the gemstones up front? This is where you run through the cross over here.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
See? Enjoy the creek at your own risk. And then right there, that sign says no trespassing in the other one. So you can go right here if you want.
So from there to the rope over there, you can go in. That's cool. I wish
Maybe
it was.
not today.
I wish it was
61 degrees
I
outside.
wish it was warmer.
So yeah, this is where you can buy your bucket and shop for your gems and stones. And they have a lot of seating and picnic tables out here and a porta potty.
That's always good, especially for
Always.
you.
The first stop
Oh.
is always the bathroom for me.
Let's get chicken feed. Where are the chickens? There's another falls back here in the back. There's chicken treats, but I haven't seen any chickens.
They all escaped.
Oh no!
They escaped from the chicken coop. Well, look, there's all these little gnomes and figurines that all like kind of hidden. Oh look, there's a little camper up there.
RV life.
Look in there. Yeah, all these little gnomes all hidden.
The little baby gnomes.
Oh, a little turtle.
We have a gnome.
They're so fun. This is like a clear one. Oh, there's another camper.
So like a VW bus.
Yeah. And then you gotta come over here. You gotta see this. You gotta come over here.
I'm coming.
This is like the most interesting
What is
decoration.
this?
It's a stove, an oven.
Is this for the gnomes?
Yeah, I guess so. And a sink. Kitchen of the kind words. Just kidding, I can't read. Kitchen of the kind words. Oh, now I see there's nice pinned words on the backdrop.
Respect, love,
Karma,
karma.
And then he's coming one way over here.
Fat gnome?
He looks like from like one of those like old school claymation movies. I'm sure at night with all these lights it probably looks really cool. They're only open till 7, so it's not really dark.
Yeah,
at 7.
right now it gets started at 8:30. Alright, I'm trying to get close. Do not cross the road. There's even a little waterfall coming off the mountain feeding into here. See it? That's pretty cool. Oh my god, I found the chickens. I need to get some quarters. I want to feed them. Everything here is about like love and hope and being kind and respecting nature. It's pretty cool. Alright, I had to go get quarters so I could feed the chickens. Alright, now I gotta go find the chickens. We have some family in town, so Aaron's at the car with their dog so they can see the waterfall. So I'm all alone and I'm gonna feed the chickens. I hope they don't bite me. Hey chickens! Hi! I got some food for you! Where are you going? Come get the food. Look, I got food. Get the food. They don't seem very interested. Chickens, I have all this food for you. Are you not hungry? I don't think they like me. These chickens are not even fazed about me throwing peanuts at them. Come eat the peanuts. I'm pretty sure this is not good chicken food. They don't like it. Get it! Get it! Yeah, get it. Here's more. Yeah, go get it. Oh, we found them. I spent a lot of money on this. Those were the least hungriest chickens ever. Boring. Ew, you nasty. Alright. Hopefully we'll be able to come back here when it's a little warmer. It's like in the low 60s today. Because I want to go in these falls. I just want to sit there. Take a little seat.
Super clean. Plenty of toilet paper. Hand sanitizer. And a mirror on the freaking door.
To look at that.
I mean, I've been to many football games, concerts, festivals. By far, best John Potty.
All right,
Potty
you heard
John,
it here first.
Potty.
You heard it here first.
At Friendly Falls. You full, chicken?
Here's the boring chickens.
You're full, you fat
Oh,
chicken.
now you come down? Did you find all the peanuts I threw at you?
They don't want you, they just wanted your nuts. That one's kind of pretty though. It's like a silver fox. She, right? They're girls, right? Are all chickens girls? And then roosters are boys? I mean, that's what I learned from cartoons. Is that real? Let me know in the comments.
Alright, hope you can hear us over the waterfall.
It's loud, but it sounds amazing. It's like one of my favorite sounds. If I can't have the ocean, I'll take a waterfall sound.
This place is gorgeous. Highly recommended. $2 to get in.
Yeah, and you know, obviously it's helping somebody out. They got a few little animals here, and it's really cute. And you could get married here. You can have a reception, any kind of, you know, little special
You
occasion.
can just come and have a little picnic lunch if you want to. So we may do that.
We will. I think we will. For sure.
And I want to go swimming.
Yeah, we gotta wait for maybe another week until it's 85, and then we'll be good.
The water's still gonna be
Yeah.
freezing.
But I'm happy we had a good day.
Yeah.
Had a good time. My family's here. Haven't seen in a long time, so
I think we're gonna head to Goats on the Roof now and do the poster during the day.
let's go.
So let's go do this! My mama raised me with chickens in the backyard. They're so beautiful. Alrighty. Seems like every time we drive by this place it was closed. So here's the hours are only Sunday through Thursday 11 to 7. Closed Monday through Wednesday. So make sure you come out here and support this place. It was really beautiful.